Welcome back to Spectrum Sphere, the place where curiosity meets discovery and every click leads to knowledge. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of entrepreneurship with our guide on how to start a small online business. If you're eager to learn more, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's venture into the digital marketplace together. The digital world has transformed the landscape of commerce, leading to an incredible rise in online businesses. From the convenience of shopping at home to the vast reach of the internet, entrepreneurs are capitalizing on this shift. It's an era where anyone, anywhere, can become a global storefront. Starting an online business offers a plethora of benefits. For starters, it provides flexibility with location and hours, allowing for a better work-life balance. Moreover, the cost of overhead is significantly reduced without the need for a physical storefront, and the potential reach of customers is worldwide, operating 24/7. Finding your niche is crucial. It's about concentrating on a specific area you are passionate about and where you can provide unique value. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, eco-friendly home goods, or digital courses, your niche should resonate with a specific audience and stand out in the busy online marketplace. Moving on, let's dive into researching your target market. It's essential to understand who your potential customers are. Look into demographics, interests, and buying habits. Use surveys, social media analytics, and online forums to gather data. This research will inform your marketing strategy and product development for a successful launch. In this section, we're analyzing competitors in your niche market. Begin by identifying key players and assessing their strengths and weaknesses. Look at their product offerings, pricing strategies, brand positioning, and customer reviews. Understanding what they do well and where they fall short can give you a competitive edge. Moving forward, let's focus on developing your unique value proposition. This is all about pinpointing what makes your business stand out. Ask yourself, what can you offer that no one else does? Whether it's exceptional customer service, innovative products, or personalized experiences, your unique value proposition should be compelling and clear. Now, it's time to choose a business name that resonates with your brand. Keep it memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Once you've brainstormed a list, check the availability online to ensure it's not already taken. This includes domain names and social media handles for consistency across platforms. Once you've picked a standout business name, it's crucial to register your enterprise legally. Start by choosing your business structure, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each has different implications for taxes, liability, and regulations. Then, file the necessary paperwork with your state's Secretary of State or relevant business agency. Creating a comprehensive business plan is your roadmap to success. It's more than just paperwork. It's a strategic tool that outlines your business's future. A well-crafted plan should detail your goals, funding strategies, marketing plans, and a thorough analysis of your competition. This is the blueprint that will guide every decision you make. Moving forward, let's dissect the anatomy of an effective business plan. It encompasses your executive summary, company description, and market analysis. You'll also want detailed sections on your organization and management, service or product line, marketing strategies, funding requests, financial projections, and an appendix for additional documents. Having a solid online presence is critical. It's your digital storefront, open to the world 24/7. A well-crafted website and active social media accounts can significantly increase your reach and credibility. They serve as platforms where customers can discover your products, interact with your brand, and make purchases. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a key decision for your online business. There are several options available, each with its own set of features. Some popular platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress, and BigCommerce. Consider factors like ease of use, customization, pricing, and sales tools when making your selection. Now that you have your e-commerce platform selected, it's time to set up your website domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. For hosting, find a reliable provider that offers excellent uptime, customer support, and scalability options as your business grows. Moving on, let's focus on designing a user-friendly website interface. This is crucial as it affects how easily visitors can navigate and shop on your site. Use clear categories, readable fonts, and intuitive layouts. Remember, a straightforward and accessible design can significantly enhance the customer experience and increase sales. Now that your website design is in place, it's time to populate it with high-quality content. This includes engaging product descriptions, informative blog posts, and compelling images and videos that tell your brand's story. Content is king, and it's what will attract and retain customers, so make it count. Selecting the right payment gateway is crucial. It's how you'll get paid. You'll want a secure, reliable service that integrates with your e-commerce platform. Consider factors like transaction fees, accepted payment methods, and ease of use for your customers. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Square, each with their own benefits. With your payment gateway in place, it's time to implement an inventory management system. This will keep track of your stock levels, sales, orders, and deliveries, ensuring you never run out of products. Effective inventory management avoids overstocking and helps maintain healthy cash flow for your online business. Now that your website is ready, let's focus on drawing in customers. Planning a marketing strategy is critical for any online business. Start by identifying your ideal customers and figuring out where to reach them. Use a mix of social media, SEO, and perhaps even pay-per-click advertising to drive traffic to your site. Moving on, let's harness the power of social media for promotion. It's a cost-effective way to connect with a global audience. Create engaging content tailored to each platform, interact with your followers, and use targeted ads to increase your reach. Consistency and engagement are key to building your online community. Now let's dive into the basics of search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. By using relevant keywords, creating quality content, and ensuring your site is user-friendly, you'll improve visibility and attract more organic traffic. Moving on to online advertising, which is a powerful tool to reach potential customers. Online ads allow you to target specific demographics, track your success, and adjust campaigns in real time. Platforms like Google Ads and social media provide various formats, whether pay-per-click or sponsored content, to amplify your business's reach. Now, let's focus on leveraging email marketing. This strategy connects you directly with customers and can yield high returns on investment. By building an email list and crafting personalized content, you can create engaging campaigns. Regular newsletters, exclusive offers, and updates keep your brand in your customers' minds and drive sales. Effective customer service and support are vital to any online business's success. It's important to set up a reliable system to handle inquiries and issues. Utilize tools such as live chat, email, and FAQs to provide prompt and helpful responses. Remember, a satisfied customer often becomes a repeat customer. Now, let's talk about the power of data. Analyzing your business analytics helps you understand customer behavior and track performance. Look into metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement levels. Use this data to make informed decisions, refine your strategies, and ensure your online business is always moving forward. Moving on to building relationships, it's vital to network with other online businesses and professionals. Networking can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and even mentorships. Attend virtual conferences, join online communities, and connect on social media. Sharing knowledge and resources can lead to new opportunities and mutual growth for your online venture. As your business gains traction, it's time to think about scaling up and expanding your product line. This could mean introducing new products, exploring additional services, or tapping into different markets. Always ensure your growth is sustainable. Assess the market demand and your business's current capabilities before you scale. Beyond your primary offerings, consider diversifying your income. This may involve adding affiliate marketing, offering online courses, or providing subscription services. Assess what complements your business model and can provide value to your customers. These additional revenue streams can help stabilize your income and fuel further growth. No entrepreneurial journey is without its hurdles. As you grow your online business, prepare to face challenges and setbacks. It's crucial to have contingency plans, maintain financial reserves, and stay adaptable. Remember, resilience is key. Learning from these difficulties can lead to improved strategies and a stronger business foundation. In the ever-evolving digital world, your education never truly stops. Ensure your small online business thrives by staying informed about the latest industry trends and technological advancements. Regularly invest time in learning and adapting your strategies to keep your brand relevant and competitive in the marketplace. And that wraps up our guide on starting a small online business. We hope you found our steps insightful and actionable. Remember, here at Spectrum Sphere, we're all about exploring, discovering, and growing together. If you found value in this video, please show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep nurturing your entrepreneurial spirit.